Hello friend, welcome to my video. You can see before and after using Lightroom Portrait presets. Today we're tackling our Lightroom Tutorial Basics Masterclass. This video will teach you everything you need to know to learn how to edit photos professionally in Adobe Lightroom. Exposure plus 0.52. Contrast plus 10. Highlight plus 28. Shadows minus 31. White minus 15. Black minus 43. Go to curve. Do not forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to color. Temp minus 10. Tint minus 16. Saturation plus 26. Go to color mix. Red hue minus 7. Orange hue minus 6. Green hue plus 16. Blue hue plus 19. Go to color grading. Shadow hue plus 200. Shadow saturation plus 20. Go to effect. Clarity plus 17. Vignette minus 20. Go to detail. Noise reduction plus 20. Do not forget subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see before and after using Lightroom Portrait presets.